cut the fixed cable ties with scissors. Pull out the servo plug and the power cord of the Angel Eye Light control board and the tail light plug. Pull out the 2 black wires and red wires on the motor. Turn the front wheel to the left. Remove the 3 screws on the ESC. Take out the broken ESC and Angel Eye Light control board. Install the ESC and Angel Eye Light control board on the car. Lock the corresponding 3 screws. Plug in the 2 motor wires. Insert the plug of left and right tail light. Insert the servo plug.